He was removed from power over alleged failure to follow instructions from the powers that be.
I know. I guess if you're Senate President, the only power that be is the President. I'm not sure what he is referring to.
Kailan niyo po nalaman yung change sa Senate leadership? And may plano po ba kayong makipag-meet or makipag-usap kay Senator Zubiri?
When did I know? The minute they started, actually it was Senator Cheese. The minute he started thinking about it, he already brought it up and he said, "Look, I think I'm going to try to be the SP. What's my situation and what do you think?" I did not speak to any parties at any point, simply because I was out of town. If you remember, on that day, yung nabalita na nung umaga, I was asked if I would issue a statement on the change of leadership. And I said, bakit? Nag-change na ba? Sabi na, well, merong gumagalaw. And when I landed back in Manila at about 3 or 4 in the afternoon, saka lang nalaman, tapos na. Nag-change na, nag-step down na si Senator Riggs. So that's the extent. That's how I was basically informed at every step of the way. But it moved so quickly as well. But of course, we knew the state of the voting. Then when that was still being collected, the votes were still being collected by Senator Cheese. Alam na namin kung ano yung maglalabas na numero. So to that extent, we were well informed about what was happening.
Sir, last question na po. Sir, kasi na-interview po si Senator Zubiri and he refused to answer when asked if you still trust him. So, may tiwala pa po ba kayo kay Senator Zubiri?
Sure, of course. The decision to change the leadership is not made by me. It was made by the senators. So that does not reflect on my view on Senator Mix and the trust and confidence that in my view reposes that I have in him.